Unparalleled, futuristic, and groundbreaking. The Czinger 21C and the SSC Tuatara represent the pinnacle of hypercar acceleration, redefining speed and performance with their revolutionary engineering. Before delving into the innovations, performance figures, be sure to join our passionate community, engage in discussions, share insights, and witness the battle of next-generation speed machines unfold. The Czinger 21C, a marvel of modern automotive design, has been crafted using advanced 3D printed components and a hybrid powertrain that pushes boundaries. First revealed in 2020, this hypercar houses a 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with an electrified all-wheel drive system, generating a combined 1,250 horsepower. The use of lightweight aerospace-grade materials and an innovative tandem seating layout ensures optimal aerodynamics and weight distribution. Recent tests have demonstrated its astonishing ability to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, setting new benchmarks in hypercar acceleration. On the other side, the SSC Tuatara, introduced in 2020 as well, is a testament to extreme engineering. Powered by a 5.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, it unleashes 1,750 horsepower on E85 fuel and 1,350 horsepower on 91-octane gasoline. Unlike the hybrid Czinger 21C, the Tuatara relies on a pure internal combustion setup, showcasing raw mechanical efficiency. With its ultra-lightweight carbon fiber body and advanced aerodynamics, it boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating combustion engine hypercars ever produced. Although the Tuatara dominates in top speed with its verified 280.9 miles per hour record, the Czinger 21C shifts the focus to acceleration supremacy, boasting unmatched launch control and instant torque delivery. The hybrid system enables unparalleled traction, allowing the 21C to edge past traditional hypercars in short-distance sprints. Furthermore, its computationally optimized aerodynamics enhance high-speed stability, ensuring that every ounce of power is effectively utilized. The latest pricing for the Czinger 21C starts at approximately $2 million, with its limited production making it a highly coveted collector's item. Meanwhile, the SSC Tuatara commands a price tag exceeding $2 million, reflecting its record-breaking top speed capabilities and exclusive production numbers. Ultimately, the question remains, is the Czinger 21C superior to the SSC Tuatara in hypercar acceleration? While the Tuatara commands respect for its raw power and top speed records, the Czinger 21C introduces a new era of hybrid-assisted acceleration that may redefine what it means to be the quickest hypercar. Until more head-to-head tests confirm their ultimate supremacy, the debate rages on. Join us in this exhilarating conversation. Share your opinions, dissect the performance data, and be part of the elite community that celebrates the evolution of hypercars.